In this question, two statements are given, and in the light of these two statements, you have to choose the correct option. Statement 1. Mitochondria and chloroplasts both are double membrane bound organelles. This is true. Statement 2. Inner membrane of mitochondria is relatively less permeable as compared to chloroplast. Now, this is false because transport of ions occurs across the inner membrane of mitochondria. But the inner membrane of chloroplast is impermeable to ions and metabolites. Now, therefore, it is said that the inner membrane of mitochondria is relatively more permeable to that of chloroplast. So, statement 1 is true, but statement 2 is false. Hence, the correct answer is option A.